Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your local workspace and linking it to GitHub. First, set git config user, name and user, email so commits track you. Once done, run git init, add your project files with git add, then commit with a clear message. Next, make a repository on GitHub using the web UI or GH repo create, then add the remote with git remote add origin URL. This links local history to the online repository so you can push changes. You now work on a branch to keep changes isolated and easy to review. Create one with git checkout bfeature/name, make edits, then stage and commit incrementally with git add and git commitm describe. Before sending work upstream, make sure to fetch and pull from origin main to integrate remote updates. This prevents conflicts. If conflicts appear, resolve them, add the resolved files, and commit. Finally, push your branch with git push uorigin feature/name so GitHub receives it. You finish by sending your branch for review and merging it into the main line. On GitHub, open a pull request, add reviewers, and address requested changes. Once checks pass, merge using the chosen strategy. After merge, delete the feature branch both on GitHub and locally with git branch d and git push origin delete. If something goes wrong, run git status to inspect, git log to find commits, and git reflog to recover lost head states. These commands help you diagnose and repair mistakes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.